everyone! During this time at home, you might find yourselves using the microwave more to make quick, easy meals for you and your families. So now's a great time to make sure that your microwave is properly cleaned. First, if you know where it's located, refer to your manufacturer's manual for the most specific advice for your model. Keep in mind, some recommend unplugging your microwave before cleaning it to reduce the risk of electric shock. No problem if you don't know where your manual is though. Just follow some of these easy and simple steps. For simple cleanups, a dampened soft cloth or paper towel with warm water will work just fine. For heavier cleanups or dry residue, wipe down with a mild soap or dishwashing liquid or even baking soda. Be sure to avoid harsh materials like scouring pads or oven cleaners. Those might harm your microwave. To help remove food odors or hardened food residue, try one of the following. Mix 6 tablespoons of baking soda or a half cup of lemon juice with a cup of water in a microwave-safe glass measure. Today, I'm going to use lemon juice just because that's what I prefer. Once you've created your mixture, you're going to want to put it in the microwave and set it to a time until it starts to boil. In my microwave, that'll be about a minute or so, but depending on your wattage, that might be longer or shorter. Now once it's done, you're actually going to want to leave your bowl inside the microwave until it cools completely. Now that my mixture is cooled, I'm going to remove it from the microwave. And what we've done is created steam that will actually help loosen any of that hard residue that might be in your microwave, making for an easier and quicker clean. So now go clean those microwaves and get back to those quick, delicious meals.